everybody, Iceman50 here. As you can see, my sorry, I got the hiccups. My laptop's seen better days. Oh my goodness, they I think the screen went out. Let me open you up here. So this is a Dell Inspiron 17. My goodness, Dell Inspiron 17. It's got a glossy 17-inch screen, and I want to try to get the battery hooked up, and then we'll temporarily throw the front lid on here so that we can get the power turned on. Let me set you down so you can see. We'll get the battery in here. Set you down. There you go for a ride. All right. So we got our battery here, and what I did is I already replaced the display cable. This guy, you know, it's the cheapest option. I thought maybe it was the display cable, so that's kind of where I started. And it didn't work. So what I did do is I ran some Dell diagnostics. If you guys don't know, you can push D on the keyboard. Where's my keyboard? Go. Obviously, you know, you can push D, and then you start it, and it'll run through and give you some diagnostics of the LCD, and I pretty much determined at that point that it was NFG, right? So all that we have to do is I've got the new one. You can see that in this box here, right? So we'll just I'm going to toss this on so I can show you what it looks like, and then hopefully hopefully when I put the new LCD in, it works, because I really need this laptop to work. It's my it runs it generates all the code for my 3D printer and everything. So yeah, I haven't been able to use any of that since this thing took a crap. You'll see it's like half of the screen went missing. Well, more than half. Excuse me, more than half, like a third. And the other side just doesn't work. Okay. Did I get the plug in there? No. So let's see what happens now. Come on. I mean, is the battery dead? I don't think so. Let me go get the charger. We'll be right back. Well, I hope plugging it in works. I've done this like 20 times already, and what, now it decides it's not gonna work? Oh, you know what? I think it's not hooked up. See? the cable here. Nothing is happening. So, what the fuck happened to this thing in between the time that I took it apart and I was waiting for the screen? Well, I'm gonna figure it out. I'll bring you back when I figure it out. All right, everybody. All right, everybody. Here you can see. This is the screen I'm greeted with. No boot. Yeah, that's fine because, you know, the hard drive's right here, right? I don't care about that, but look at the screen. It's totally screwed. You can see the left side. You can't, the middle is a white box, and then over here, you know, I don't know if it's working or not, but it definitely, when you see a picture on this thing's black. So it's like, this one's black, this one's white, and this one's normal. So let's cobble together the new screen, and hopefully this thing works. Hang on. All right, everybody. Here's the new screen. Let's see. Attention. Let's try not to drop this one and break it. Right. Void. Oh, they really want me to know that I can't return it now. Maybe it was the pepper jack cheese and meat I ate. Oh, I love summer sausage and cheese, but maybe it was the pepper jack that did it to me. Oh God! Good thing I got some Tums. This video is not sponsored by Tums. Oh God! But It's not sponsored by Miller High Life either, but gotta have some of that. All right. Heartburn, hiccups, no problem. Tums and beer. Sounds like a plan to me. My hiccups already seem gone now that I jinxed myself. All right, so we got our screen here, right? Remember, the old screen was fucked up. I am hoping so much. This was $80 for this screen. I really don't want it to be the CPU. All right, here we go. Hey! Guess who's back? Back again. All right, well, that's awesome. So see, there you go. So this, like I said, this is a Dell 17-inch Inspiron. I forget the number. Anyways, you see any kind of weird stuff with your LCD happening like that? That's what it is. So and like I said, you can do the Dell diagnostics on the keyboard. Pretty cool. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this screen into this frame, take off the protective covering. I'm gonna put the whole thing back together, and I'll bring you back when I do that. Yeah, this happened about a week ago, so I have no idea what happened, but at least it's back. All right, everybody, we'll bring you back in a little while. Let's see what happens, everybody. I just quickly plugged in the hard drive, and I bet it's going to pop right up here. Although I don't have the keyboard in. Let's see if we can throw that in. Come on. It's gonna take a minute. Hey, so I don't have the Wi-Fi hooked up. You know, that's gonna take a minute, but you can see that it does work. Take a second for it to load up. Oh, I think I pulled out the dongle. That's all right. All right, well, let's shut this down. And so now that I know that everything's good, I'm gonna fully put the whole thing together. So I'll bring you back for that. All right, everybody. This really is one of the best screwdrivers I've ever gotten. These iFixits, this Mantis kit. This is amazing. You guys need one of these. I think I found that there was a few more screws that I hadn't put in the bucket yet. There we go. There's the money shot. All right. So all these. All right, we got our Wi-Fi card, right? And our camera, and this is the Wi-Fi cable. You see it's got the black and the white and all that. This all goes around the frame here. It connects down over here on the motherboard. So we just gotta find those spots. And I must be slipping. Those plug onto here, which goes on the back of the board. So I kind of took this all apart for nothing. Let me put this back together, this goes on the back side, and then we'll run the wiring, and it comes up over here, and we got to put the back on and everything. So let's just let's get you over there, and we'll keep going. All right. Hey, oh, look at that lighted keyboard. She's back. Need to wipe this down with some rubbing alcohol. I think this is it. Let's see. Yeah, because it's a Dell mouse. Hey, all right. Let's see. Can we go online? Make sure everything's working. Oh, I hear the speaker's working. Click it or tick it. Oh, it says I'm connected. Anyways, everybody, I'll have to get this in order here, but oh, I just dropped something. All right. Thanks for coming along. You can see she's all back together. All right, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Easy.